Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Buffett, Nas. Inhliziyo yami igcwele ama-appreciation, igcwele ukubonga, igcwele ipeace, igcwele injabulo bafethu. Ngiyabonga. I'm saying this because we are sitting on little bit over 1,000 subscribers.
1,040.
1,040.
Yes.
Guy. Man, thank you, man. Thank you to people, bafethu. It shows, bafethu, ukuthi people together are God. I hope you all understand what I'm saying. Because now, reached 1,000. We were asking you to say, Bafethu, Rebellion got 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And there you did it, Bafethu. So I can say, I grasp in my glory. Grasp in my glory. Thank you very much, Bafethu Kyalebua. And share to other people. Please share to other people, Bafethu. Hore. Ki podcast dencha. Yeah, itlaitlile ntate. Sizasizile ngepeace, ngothando, ngerespect, education, sithi fa nge-entertainment kancane.
Yeah.
Lapho nalapho. Siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. And you know, masiqala ama-series lawa wenombolo bafethu ngithi ngiyafundisa ngenombolo. I asked you ukuthi ngicela nimamelisane lawo ma video from part 1 to 6, and you did just that, and you're still going on to do that. Siyabonga nalapho kakhulu bafethu. And ngicela futhi if ungangunderstand kahle, it is better now to go to part 1 where I'm talking about Air Force 3 until where I'm talking about 28. Yonke lento engikhulumile mangathi uyayibheka into eyi-1, just different colors. It shows hore it all comes down to being demonic inombolo. Yabona? Yeah, demonic bafethu. So isolution la ukuthi sisebenzisane singabazali, umama noma ubaba, lento leyo sisuse ukuthi wena umama, wena ubaba kumele wenze kanje, wena omunye nomunye akayenza istrength sakhe.
Exactly.
Singama specialist bafethu. Masihlangene sibhaye omunye nomunye ya specialize lapho, yabo. So omunye nomunye makayenza umsebenzi wakhe. Wena mawuyindoda ungabe intimidated mawubona umfazi ayenza umsebenzi wakho. They are doing it because they can.
Encourage her.
Yeah, just encourage her. That's all you could do. Now mama encourage ubaba. Bese sifaka nabantwana. It's like a three-way pot kulento. Abazali bayithi umama, ubaba, umntwana.
Completion.
And then sizothi mase bahambise esikolweni. Bese ba ready kuba yi-student. You understand? Bese mababuye esikolweni seba ready kuba yi-community engqono. Yabo, asisizaneni sonke bafethu, but singakhohlwa ukuhloniphana. Yabo, singakhohlwa ukuhloniphana, singakhohlwa ukuthi siyaphilisana emhlabeni. Ngiyasibongela bafethu kakhulu bafethu. And as for laba abaloku basazo subscribe ngithi you are already welcome. Everyone is welcome here bafethu. Everyone is welcome to our podcast because this is for education, you know, and for our next generation. Yabo, because thina siphilile bafethu lempilo, sibhayizile, sibonile, sikhuluma into esiyaziyo la. just nje njengoba sengishilo abanye bona baya round ngathi bafaka namablom ba confuse abantu but i-uppercut podcast bafethu izokunikeza zona straight unganaki wena ngiyazibongela bafethu so ngiye ngacela ukuthi abantu ba engage. People are engaging, my brother.
Yes.
Are engaging.
And it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing. And luckily, we are determined ukuthi araba every question.
Yes.
Maintaining that spirit of peace and respect.
Yes.
One told my brother. People, they must feel at home. They are part of this podcast. This podcast is theirs.
Yes.
I'm just a host.
Yeah.
You're just a cameraman behind them.
Exactly.
We are delivering.
Yeah.
Understand that, my brother?
A service.
Yes. So it's very important, Bafethu, to say to people, thank you very much.
We see you.
Yes. But there are other questions, comments that are very important, whereby you will see what's normal. This comment, I think it needs a clarity.
Yes.
Because it affects many people. It is very important.
Yes.
On my brother. Other questions are very important to be answered here.
Yeah.
That's how I understand these things. Because someone is asking something. As I see with Norman, abantu abaningi bafuna ukuyazi lento. Wanthola my brother. Like the question that I picked up. Yeah. Like the question that I picked up, my brother, I think I should address it here.
Please do.
Yes. No hard feelings.
Yes.
Wanthola my brother. I'm just teaching because I know ukuthi in every question there is an answer.
Yes.
But some questions is just that dita in a way of disrespect.
Yes.
But what people will learn as long as they are listening to Uppercut Podcast, man, they will learn about that in time. So I just want to answer this question of my brother here, but the name my brother, it doesn't appear. I would like to call his name so that he can know. But the comment, people will see on the comment zone, and he will know I'm answering him here. Yes. So here it goes, my brother. Abba, I hear your message, Abba. But the approach is questionable. Why don't you, maybe you wanted to say call. Why don't you call Chicken and Bopra Nani and meet with them and speak like this in front of them? Pa onamo. Let's pause a little. My brother, this is not personal. And I'm not talking about their personal behavior. Because I'm not living with those guys in the first place. Wabon, we are just friends. Wabon. So now, I'm not personal. I can't go to that guy and say, and I'm not answering to what he said to me. When we meet my brother and mingle there, we said many things to each other, but I'm not talking those. I'm talking things that they said on TV, on YouTube, on social media, publicly. That is why I take this initiative to say, no, man, some things are solved public because they are already there. That's my understanding, my brother. No hard feelings. So going forward, it says, and speak to them, right, in front of them. Why don't you, all of you, meet Koskim GP and confront each other there, since he knows all of you? Let that happen, my brother. Let me pause again. It is not about confrontation, my brother. It's about teaching.
Educating.
Yeah. Like when you say confrontation, you put it like we are against each other.
Yes. There's a fight going on.
Yangeko against anyone, my brother. So, uskim ungenava. Ungenava uskim.
With respect.
With respect. Because he can't even control how the guest is answering questions.
Yes.
He cannot do that. He just asks questions and the answer is from the guest.
Yes.
It is their opinion, according to my understanding.
Yes.
Thank you, my brother. So, my brother, it's irrelevant, that one. Don't say, hey, it's irrelevant, my brother, with peace, though. Yeah, going forward, it says, all of you, or you are practicing the teachings of Big Five. It's a question. Or are you practicing the teachings of Big Five? You can't even see yourself. Because with what have been teaching us, you are not seer genuine. SEER, guys. I don't know.
Oh, you maybe meant to say
yeah.
You don't seem genuine.
You don't seem genuine yourself.
Yeah.
You seem like you are settling a score. Wrong again, my brother. Wrong again, my brother.
Yeah.
But me, I'm not pushing the Big Five thing, my brother, here outside. I'm telling you that thing, I'm out of it. Everyone who had that thought, Bafethu, in mind, please take that out. You are wasting the capacity of your mind by filling up what is not there. I'm not pushing that. You know, my brother, I'm just explaining everything that I saw according to my experience, because I observed a lot, my brother. I'm good at that. And those that don't work, I don't take them as I'm observing. You know, my brother. So it's irrelevant once again, this one, my brother.
Yes.
So he went on and say, and are you exposing people? How do you zoom on people? Are you a cop? Educate the nation, leave the names out, daughter.
That one sounds personal.
Yeah. As said, my brother, people love us. No? Famous people. Love us personal sometimes. So which is wrong, guys, I'm afraid. Sometimes. Because even if the guy did wrong, I'm doing wrong things, I'm talking wrong things, people are allowed to reprimand me. Are allowed. No one is clean, no one is perfect. It's true. We are all making mistakes along the way. But now, leave a room to be reprimanded, to be shown the way. Thank you very much, my brother. So, I'm not settling any score. I'm not a cop, my brother, but I can zoom people.
Yes.
You just don't understand what I mean, my brother. Ask the guy next to you. Ask the lady next to you. They might understand what I'm saying. Thank you very much. I'm not a cop. I answered that. Exposure. I spoke about exposure on that video. Yama 28. Where I speak about chicken.
Yes, he's already exposed.
He's already exposed. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? You're distorting message. What does it mean, my brother?
To distort, to twist.
Oh, okay. You're distorting the message. The message is good, Mara. Do things right, Appa. This is not the way. Okay, my brother, maybe that with respect, it might be in your mind, but it's your opinion. I respect it. That's how you find me. But come with the proof, my brother, please. We are not fighting. Come with the proof so that other people can learn, right? Thank you very much. So he went on and said, how do you zoom on people? Okay, cops, voila. Okay, things right up. Oh, this is not the way, ne? How can you zoom on you? We can zoom on you too. You are not the saint. You think you are. If this is how you do things. My brother, when it suits you, you can zoom as well. You just say, how can I zoom people? But when are you saying you can zoom as well? Come on, my brother, man. One tall. Right here, my brother, he said, we can zoom you too.
That's hypocritical.
Yeah, but I take that important. Zoom me, my brother. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Now I'm here to be corrected, guys. Everybody must know that. I'm not perfect myself. And I never say anything about perfection to me. My brother. What is perfect to me? It's my mind. So I zoom you. My mind is just fine, my brother. Thank you. And I'm open-minded, right? Thank you very much, guys. So I think from that comment, everyone will learn a lot about me and how I think. Thank you very much. I think I'm good about that, my brother. Yeah. Just remind me, my brother, where are we going again?
The summary, right?
All right. I thought there was an important thing. So, Buffett, let me go on. I remember now. Yeah. So, Buffett, lezi zinto lezi zonke lezi. I'm not judging anyone, I just teach kids. Amantombazane nabafana. Yabona angikhethi lapho.
Yes.
Wabona ababuye ejele nabangakayi basifundisa ukuthi abayi.
Yes.
Da. Abake baya da bafethu, they must learn other things as to how we think thina abanye yabo.
Yes.
And then maybe you will get closure to your problems. Ngiyacela bafethu asifundise nabantwana into important ngendlela right. Bayenze izinto right.
Yes.
Asihlaleni kuleyo. Well ingqondo ziningi yazi abantwana uzobona ngokwenza masekamdala ne or ngokuqabanga ublame umntwana kanti umntwana ufundisiwe by the generation before.
Yes.
So that is why I'm saying I'm not going to blame anyone, I'm going to teach.
Yes.
Some examples, my brother, are practical, are lively. You know? Yeah, because now some examples are happening even today. Life is going on, my brother.
Always.
Always. As I was talking, I can make a life example how people's mind function. And that, now I'm glad that is linking to this guy that I just answered. You know, it is going to link. So this practical, this one is written, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's another example. The other example of what I want to say, my brother, this sister, Lynn Takile, he has a podcast. My sister, you know I love you. You're my sister. I love you like any other sister in the world. You know? Yeah. So I want just people to listen here because you are saying I lie when I say Uskim, Utemba Luket, can see through you when you are lying. Yeah, now he went on go podcasting and said this guy, he was talking about me, he didn't mention my name.
Yes.
Maybe he belittled me that much or whatever, but that's not a transmission, my brother.
Yes.
I'm used to these things. So the way that she went on, it was like I lie and she doesn't understand and make other people not to understand when I say skin can see through your eyes. Whether you are lying or you are honest. So I want people to listen to this.
That is a possibility because it's drama, it's ratings, it's views, it's money. The other guy was defending Skim GP. Skim GP can see right through people. Wow. He's saying that to defend his master. He's out of jail. I'm sure Skim GP sponsors him with money, clothes. I'm not saying it's definitive. Please don't take what I'm saying as facts. I don't know. I wasn't there. I'm just saying, these guys have said on that podcast, Skim GP's podcast, they don't have money. They want an opportunity, blah, blah, blah. But they wear name brands. Where do you think they get them from?
Yeah, o complain or nagare scheme o zuma mo. We can see through people.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't dispute that. Plus, it was her perspective,
Yes.
right? But I understood her perspective is not from the good heart
Yes.
or the fine mind. Or what? She's a bit personal about something here.
Yes. She's better.
Yeah, so she was disputing everything.
Basically.
Now I know what I'm talking about, Abu Talk. When I say scheme, everybody can do that.
Yes. Everybody.
Everybody can do that. As long as you have that strength of mind mentality.
Yes.
Everybody can do that, sis. So, lento leo, ingenze ngabona ukuthi my sister here, you are so selfish.
Unstable.
Yeah, or selfish and umuntu selfish, umuzwa ngokuzicontradicta.
Yeah.
In most cases, she contradicts herself.
Yes.
My brother.
Yeah.
Or you can't want into eyenzakale kulo muntu. But mase yenzakala kuwe, it's a good idea.
Yes, it's a good thing. All of a sudden.
Yes, because it works for you now. That seems unfair to me.
It is.
My brother. That seems unfair because lena ke muntu.
Yes.
Right? If you do things like kaspiriti sawkwata or sawzonda, o tlo contradicta, my brother. Because wena unale secret agenda. I don't know whether she's just talking on her podcast, The Vault, or she's exposing prisoners, because to me it seems like she's against just prisoners.
Yeah, she's always talking about prisoners.
Yeah. My sister, calm down, man. We were all affected by a crime. Some of us even before we can be criminals ourselves. Life is like that, my sister. So we who are trying to do things which are good by teaching people, teaching young boys, including your boy if you have one. Please support us, my sister. We this is from the good intentions. Maybe when umuntu again or malume wakho robane or boyfriend yakho ike yathi izoshintsha zange ishintshe. Don't think of us like that, my sister. All of us. How? Fast forward.
Do you guys remember my videos? If you don't, then go back and watch because I made them. Right? I tend to see these things from a distance. Yeah. I like that.
One tell my brother. Yeah. Now it's a sebeletsa yena. Wabona? Wabina. Wabona? Wabina. Konje rempina ye my brother. Wabina.
So from the distance.
From the distance, I can see people, but I can only see Uskim and that guy, she mean me. Yeah, she doesn't. And thank you. You don't call my name, but you are free to do so. And that guy and Sylvester Jenny long. My sister, come on, man. Be a good citizen, mama, man. Be a good citizen, please, man. Don't show young girls. Wabon, to be selfish. Don't teach them that.
To be spiteful.
Yeah, I can say, well, let's say, Mama Mara, you are a reflection of where you grew up from.
Exactly.
Wabon, Ronaldo, Okara, criming and stuff in. As about Kala, Mama. And be careful. Look at someone how, look someone how. Or the boyfriend they wanna how, muna wanna how, or msadi wanna how. You never really determine how manaka utlonyala kai. And most of all, give no body shame. This present guys, they are skinny legs. What mo? Why am I Olobatlan?
So far.
Olobatlan. Mama. But hey, no hard feelings, my sister. You know I love you as sisters. But obatlanko heart. Skinny legs. Skinny legs. And let me tell you something. You said we think we are pretty. We were pretty, but years ago. Let me tell you, if you are pretty, my sister, you are pretty for the rest of your life. It's just that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder.
Exactly.
Thina masingakubody shame uyabona yenye into. So sizobe sizinyathela inzwane njengeyiphukuphuku. Unfortunately we are not. We can't body shame you, my sister. But
unfortunately for her.
Yeah, please, my sister, man, it doesn't work like that. Stop it, man. Stop it. Because ukhulume le nto ku podcast yakho nami ngikhuluma ngikushaya nge-uppercut. Go. Wrong. If young girls are looking up to you, my sister, and to your friends and your loved ones, they are in danger, which means they are living up to your expectations only. They are not free around you. Hi, Lori, you have this mentality of enjoying things while they are happening to you only. If they are happening to other person, you can rejoice for them. That's bull toy.
Yeah, it is.
That's tweet.
Tweet.
Man.
Exactly.
Don't do that to our young girls while you are trying to make money, as you said. See, now we are not here for money. Everybody needs money. It's for living. That's how the system it is. Okay. If nereka ka dikgomo, ne re tla batla dikgomo kaofela. If nereka mama ka whatever majwe, ne re tlo batla majwe kaofela. So it is not about money. It is not about money. When I consider you, my sister, because of the respect I respect women, I feel like I'm attacking women. You know our problem in the country. So I can't put fuel there while I'm trying to solve that myself. Until my sister. So be clear in mind, be creative. I see creativity into it. Ke bona lately ba le etso ko madlanga so bua tsa bo madlanga nyenyenye ha ona creative nyana o shota ka yona when you are beautiful everything is there. Se dintse o tla etsa maths my sister. Yeah, but
it's what you do.
When you are a real person, you are beautiful. I see God in you. You know, so please, my sister, tena hanyane fela o ska ba selfish. Wena o selfish ka kepetleleta ka baka la ditola tse buang ka tsona tse why o selfish. Yeah, o selfish, but here it's not personal.
Yes.
I was just trying to teach young girls about people on social media, because people are blaming social media, my brother. Takilo na batla go na re se ra kena raise our voice so that our words can be heard in the whole world. She's just jealous of that.
Then she says she's not.
She's not. She's contradicting herself always, my brother. But what she's doing.
Exactly. That's what we do.
Don't be personal, my sister. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, Takile, what are you doing? You'll get answers.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
They are there.
Yeah, they are there, right in front of you. Plus, you are smart. You are smart. I don't want to lie. She is smart, my brother. But she's not the type of girl that I want other girls to follow. Like on this part, as I say, she's selfish. She's gonna be a danger to herself and other people. And about opidisa batho ba bang ha bohloko. Hey, maybe boyfriend there we thotse mathata ya tseba go sheba tlase wena go maotong a banna. Go sheba di skinny jean wa tseba. Ai come on man. Mafethu ke a leboha haholo bafethu man. And before ke kwala he. Sister Kile wa tseba he. Peace. Before ke kwala bafethu, I want to say as we reached 100,000 subscribers, something happened now. Something happened. I've been seeing this to other podcasts and stuff, but now I did not think it will happen to this podcast. Luckily, it happened. You understand, my brother? I see the advert there. I call. Yes, Hubane said Uppercut podcast. Now I take a stand and try to educate people about adverts. More yarn, a little bit more. To teach people as I'm an educational speaker. Yeah, positive. So the advert Uppercut podcast. The advert is not about selling the product only. No. Twana yam ngiyacela siswa mama wami bhuti wami malume uncle Takile please my love more Uppercut podcast hadi jumpy with the advert hadi jumpy ha ke tsebe why le nna a ke clever ka tsela. Yeah, I'm just saying the advert hadi jumpy ubane many reasons for the advert to play. It's not about the product. You can take that little few seconds and go to the toilet, respond to the call of nature. You can pay that. When you are cooking there by the stove, sister, go and look the stove for papaya and say a sharp. Plus, we can multitask as people. Those are small things, man. Think about it, go TV. You never skip that on TV.
Exactly.
And there, they were saying strictly look at the merchandise that they are selling. So now more Uppercut podcast about it. I'm saying who is knocking by the door. The dog is busy bagging outside. Go and look. Maybe one chola of it. So please, man, that's how much about getting on Alamoto or Fetanka Chaleta message how. Attend one. Now, what's it about? Now, I attend you every 6 seconds about for you to about. So now, thank you very much. I hope you'll understand about it. Ostagila, when I jump out for the Uppercut podcast, get all pick up a Uppercut. Damn, next week.